For the repair of the Aventix Rexroth Pneumatic valve, the following procedures were necessary. Replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. The pneumatic valves were overhauled with genuine repair kits. In position P2 we connect our air supply. When the air is supplied to Z5, it is creating high pressure. And the metal ball located inside the upper of the valve presses against the switch on the lower part of the valve. The air then flows from A2 to P2. As we can see in position A2, when we activate the valve with air, the air comes out and ends up in the indicator from which we take our measurements, and we understand that the valve is functioning properly, with no problems or any leaking. When the supply to Z5 stops, the air in the lower section of the valve exhausts to 4R2. We continue with the same procedure and for the other valve. To be sure that there is no problem or leaking by activated several times. It is now clear that the pneumatic valve is working successfully and it is ready to be delivered to the customer.